Everyone thinks the best-selling electronic tape measure is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Rockseed Laser Measure 165 feet. Let's kick things off with the Rockseed Laser Measure. Priced at just $23.99, it caught my attention with its promise of high accuracy and user-friendly features. If you want a reliable tool for your measuring needs, this is worth a serious look. This little device can measure distances up to 165 feet with a precision of plus or minus 1/16 inch, which is crucial if you're working on a construction project or even just hanging pictures at home. The unique dual bubble levels allow you to ensure your measurements are spot on, and switching between metric and imperial units is a breeze. Plus, it has a backlit LCD screen that lets you see readings clearly even in low light conditions. Over 6,000 people picked this in just the last month, so you know it's making waves. Now, some users mentioned that the durability could be better as it's not as rugged as some might prefer. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for casual home projects, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for quick and accurate measurements. This tool is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who needs a dependable measuring tool for home improvements. But skip this one if you need something extremely rugged for heavy-duty construction work. At this price point, you're getting solid value for your money. Now, if the Rockseed's durability bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Hodo Laser Measuring Tool. The Hodo Laser Measuring Tool priced at $29.99. This one really stood out because of its compact design, making it super convenient to carry around. If you want a smart pocket-sized measuring tool, this might be your best bet. The Hodo can measure distances up to 98 feet and boasts an accuracy of plus or minus 2 millimeters. It's designed with one-button operation, which means you can get quick measurements without fumbling with complex controls, ideal for those quick projects or spontaneous DIYs. The low-power OLED display makes it easy to read results, and since it's USB-C rechargeable, you won't be constantly buying batteries. With 4,000 sold last month, it's definitely catching on. However, some users noted that it might not be the best for large distance measurements. But here's the thing, if you mainly need it for indoor use or small projects, it's a fantastic tool that won't let you down. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or someone who frequently measures small spaces, but skip this one if you need to measure larger distances regularly. It's a stylish option that gives you great value for everyday use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for accuracy and features.
Product number 3, Bosch GLM 123 Laser Measure. While the price isn't listed, it falls at about $39.99 and is well known for its accuracy. If you're serious about getting precise measurements, this is worth considering. This laser tool measures distances up to 100 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch. It's simple to use with just 2 buttons, perfect for folks who want no-nonsense functionality. It also has a round button for easy rounding of measurements, which can be a lifesaver in construction. Plus, the backlit display is a great feature for working in dimly lit areas. With 4,000 sold in the past month, it's a trusted option. However, there have been some complaints regarding its lack of advanced features compared to more modern devices. But honestly, if you're looking for straightforward measurements without the extra bells and whistles, this tool delivers. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-frills measuring tool, but skip this one if you need advanced functionalities for complex projects. It's a great value that gets the job done without added complexity. Now, if you want a more feature-rich option, the next product is the way to go. Product number 4. Rockseed Laser Measure 328 feet. Another from Rockseed, but this one is even more impressive. The Laser Measure 328 feet, priced at $29.99. This model grabbed my attention because of its extended measuring capability. If you're looking for something that can handle larger spaces, this is definitely worth a look. This laser measure can reach up to 328 feet with the same plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy, making it perfect for larger projects. It features multiple measurement modes, including area and volume calculations, which is super helpful for efficiency. The backlight and mute options are also great for use in various environments. Think libraries or quiet workshops. With 3,000 sold recently, this device is certainly gaining traction. That said, some users reported that it can feel a bit bulky compared to pocket-sized models. But here's the thing, if you need the extended range and don't mind the size for the added functionality, it's a trade-off you'll appreciate. This is perfect for you if you're tackling big renovation projects or need to measure large areas. But skip this one if you prefer ultra-portable options for quick tasks. It offers solid value for its features. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate combination of features, check out the next product.
Product number 5, Fantic A10 Pro 2-in-1. We have the Fantic A10 Pro 2-in-1 laser tape measure at $89.99. This one blew me away with its versatility, combining a laser measure with a standard tape measure. If you're into precision and flexibility in one tool, this is a fantastic option. The A10 Pro has a laser measuring capability up to 165 feet with plus or minus 1/8 inch accuracy, plus a 9.8-foot digital tape measure. The IPS color display is a standout feature, giving you clear readings for both measuring types. It also supports various measurement modes and units, making it adaptable for any project. This tool has over 2,000 sold recently, indicating it's a popular choice among professionals and DIYers alike. However, some users found it a bit pricey compared to other options, but honestly, if you're looking for a comprehensive tool that can handle a variety of tasks, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a professional needing a multifunctional tool for diverse projects, but skip this one if you're just doing small occasional measuring tasks. You're paying for functionality that delivers undeniable value.
We covered the Rockseed Laser Measure 165 feet for accuracy, the Hodo for portability, the Bosch GLM 100-23 for simplicity, the Rockseed Laser Measure 328 feet for extended range, and the Fantic A10 Pro for versatility. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that aligns with your measuring needs.